Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling y'all a little bit about my Advanblack tour pack. Y'all stick around. So in about a week and a half, I'm going to be going to Sturgis, South Dakota for the 80th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. I knew that I was going to be going on this trip since last year, so last year I started looking for luggage options. There's all different configurations that you can get for your bike. A lot of people, if you're just going one up, you would just throw everything in your saddlebags and go. I personally am going to be going two up, so really my only option was to buy a luggage rack and buy like a duffel bag and throw on that luggage rack. I mean, there's several companies that make some really cool looking bags nowadays, but I wanted something more than just a duffel bag on the back of my bike. So I started looking at tour packs. Now, if you didn't know, tour packs from Harley-Davidson are outrageous. I believe if you get like a color matched one, they're about $1,500–1,600 bucks. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and get online and see if I can find a cheaper version. Mostly what I found was just black tour packs. Now my bike is silver, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna order this cheaper tour pack, and then I'm gonna have to go to a paint and body shop and hope that they can match fairly close the same color to my motorcycle. Until I stumbled upon a company called Advanblack. Now, my dealings with Advanblack, to me it was a unique experience. They are a foreign company, or they're based in, I believe, Japan, and they sell motorcycle accessories different, like fairings, stretch saddlebags. They've got a lot of really cool products, and they have an office in California. So anyway, I found the King Tour Pack on Advanblack's website and decided that that was the one that I want. They had it at color matched, and so I said, all right, I'm gonna buy it now. Well, they sent me an invoice in PayPal that did not say Advanblack, and in the line of work that I'm in, like, I see people getting scammed all the time, and so it was a red flag for me. I ended up reaching out to the YouTube channel Sick Baggers. I know Steven, he installs a lot of Advanblack products, and I said, hey man, is this company legit? Like, is this how they operate, or like what? And he said, no man, that's how it's supposed to be, all is well, just place your order and they'll get it mailed to you. And I said, okay. I ended up calling the California office and double checking with them, making sure that everything was as it should be, and purchased the tour pack. I believe the name of the company that sent me the invoice was Ultimate Empire. Anyway, I'll leave it in the video here. I just knew it wasn't Advanblack, and so that caused an issue for me. But anyway, it took a little bit, but they finally shipped the tour pack. It came in 2 boxes. I got the tour pack and the rack, detachable rack that mounts it to the bike. And so far I've been satisfied with it. There are some things that I like about it, some things I don't like about it. One of the perks is the price. Man, I ended up getting the whole setup for about half the price Harley wanted just for their tour pack. So anyway, the back pad, I ended up getting a cover from Saddlemen, which, as y'all know, I have the Saddlemen Road Sofa lattice stitch installed on my bike. Love the seat and I love the look of it. So I was able to buy a cover that went over the cover of the back pad on this tour pack that I purchased, and that way everything matches. Now, I did have to take it to an upholstery shop and have them install it because it was a little bit more difficult than what I thought it was going to be, but all in all, I think it turned out really great. Now that I've told you guys what I like about this tour pack, let me show you a couple things that I don't care for. First, you'll notice here on the back pad, there's a gap between the tour pack and that back pad. That kind of bothers me. I've tried multiple times to get it realigned to where it'll sit flush down onto that tour pack, but I just haven't been able to make it do it. Secondly, whenever I open the tour pack,
It's got this leash or whatever you want to call this thing, and at first it started where it would retract whenever I'd close the bag, but it won't even go back into the little plastic case now. This thing's not even 6 months old and already has issues like this. On the inside, I didn't spend the extra money to get the liner, but you can make it look a little bit nicer. Like I said, as a whole, it's a good tour pack as far as the construction of it. Seems like it's really durable, but I just had a few small issues with it.
Like I said, there are some things that I like about this tour pack and some things that I don't. But that's up to you. All I can do is put this information out there. I just want to let you guys know that if you go to purchase from Advanblack and think you're getting scammed, that's not the case, and it is actually a decent tour pack. I won't say it's the best on the market, but hey, you get what you pay for, right? If you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, go down there below and click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload my next video, be sure to hit that bell notification button. I appreciate all of you watching. Whenever I'm in Sturgis, I'm going to attempt to do a couple live streams from the hotel. I believe with the current state of affairs in the world, YouTube is allowing content creators to go live from like their laptop, so I'm gonna give that a shot. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like me to talk about, maybe in a live stream or even about this video, go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section. As always, y'all ride safe. I'll see y'all in the next video.